So hey there, in this video we are going to talk about the most amazing tool in the Adobe Photoshop, that is a Vanishing Point. By using this tool you can add 3D effects and dimensions and really 3D art in your design. This tool is going to add a really great asset in your design skills. If you are a Photoshop enthusiastic or a designer or a photographer, this tool is going to be a worthwhile tool for your design skills. So let's watch the complete tutorial. But before watching this complete tutorial, if you are new on PIXIPACE, then hit a subscribe button and share it with your friends. So let's start the video. Well, the first thing we need to select any selection tool, then select the main subject so that we can make a new layer with our subject. So like in this video I'm using Infinite and I'm making a new layer with a layer mask so that I can make a new layer with our main subject so that I can easily implement the design at the wall. Later on, just copy the second layer which you want to paste in the wall, then move to the again first design where you like to add the design. Later on click filter, vanishing point, and in vanishing point there you need to add a grid in that. For adding the grid, click on the second tool on the left side, and up there you will need to create the points. You need to create 3 points and it will automatically add the 1 or the 4th point. And as you can see, I'm creating the points on the ball. So no worries if your selection is not so precise, you can alter it later by using that tool again, and with the help of that tool like I'm doing in this video, I'm altering the grid. So this is how you can alter the grid. Then you need to paste that design. For pasting that design, just simply press Command+V, and then by using the transform tool you can transform your design in that. Where you don't need to be panic if your design is not so precise. You can alter that your design too with the use of transform tool. With the use of transform tool you can alter your design. You can alter your, or like you can scale up, you can scale down your design. Then if you want to make a precise pasting of your design, then you need to select the marquee tool and decrease the opacity so that you can paste that design at the particular location, at the exact location. Like I'm doing in this video, my opacity is 34 and I'm pasting at the exact location. Then obviously I'm gonna increase the value of opacity too because my design is at exact location. Again, if you find any kind of problem in your design, in your creator, then you can change these things by using the perspective tool, by using the transform tool. If you have any problem in grid, then you can use the second tool, that is a plan tool, and you can press the shortcut C and then simply press OK. Now our design is implemented, but it's not so realistic. To make it a more realistic, just apply any kind of blending mode. Like in this I'm gonna apply the multiply because it is much suitable in that design. Then you can apply the blend if you want to add more realistic things in that. Like in the background there is a sunshine, so I want to decrease the white portion of the design. So for that I'm applying the blend if, and for applying the blend if, just simply double click on the right side of the particular layer where you want to add the blend if, and it's completely done. There is another tip: if you want to add some contrast in your design, then you simply need to make a new copy of that particular layer where you want to add the contrast. Suppose I want to add the contrast on the main subject, so definitely I'm going to make a copy of that one. Then simply click on filter, click on other high pass, and then high pass, play with the radius slider as per the requirements. And later on we need to again apply the blending mode, and in that I'm going to apply soft light. That's it, our design is ready. So this is pretty simple. I hope a vanishing point is clear to you. If you have any question, then please let me know down below in the comment section. And if you have any specific query in the graphic design or in the Photoshop, then you can also let me know. And at the end of, again, share and subscribe PIXIPACE YouTube channel, and share and subscribe or do comments in this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.